Namaskar, welcome back to Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I'm excited to show you some incredible cleaning gadgets that can help make your home beautiful and sparkling clean. With Diwali just around the corner and everyone busy deep cleaning their houses, these gadgets can be a real lifesaver for those tricky and hard to handle areas. Today's video is in collaboration with Agaro. Now, let's get started. The first product I want to talk about is the Agaro Royal Mop and Vacuum Cleaner. I have been asked many times to review electric mops, but honestly I had not found anything interesting to share with you all. But the wait is finally over and I'm thrilled to introduce you to Agaro's new cordless Royal Mop and Vacuum Cleaner. Let's take a look at what you get in the box. Main body unit, a handle, charger base, charger, cleaning tool and a cleaning solution. Attached to the main body you will find two 700 ml capacity water tanks. One for clean water and the other for dirty water. The roller brush is the tool that makes mopping a breeze. Filling up the clean water tank with a small amount of cleaning solution is simple and it can be easily attached to the main body. The handle snaps onto the top of the main unit. To disassemble, insert a sturdy object into the back disassembly hole, press and pull the machine handle upwards. The control buttons such as the power button, mode change, voice command and self-cleaning button given on the handle for ease. The sleek LED display provides real-time battery status and mode selection.
Automatic mode, intelligent sterilization mode, water absorption mode.
Plus a beautiful light ring changes colors according to the settings and indicates any issues like a full waste tank or insufficient clean water. Now let's move on to the demonstration. To get it started, give the mop a slight tilt. Power it on and on automatic mode you're ready to start mopping the floor. The results are remarkable as it efficiently cleans the floor, eliminating the need for frequent water changes. With two separate tanks, it guarantees sparkling clean floors. No more juggling a bucket and mop separately. What sets this device apart is the dual functionality. It not only mops but also vacuums the floor simultaneously. This means that for moderately dirty floors without any big chunks of garbage and papers, you can skip the separate sweeping step. You can effortlessly handle both vacuuming and mopping in one go, saving you both time and effort. It's highly effective on various surfaces, whether it's wooden, tiled or marble flooring. It effortlessly tackles stubborn stains without requiring much exertion, which is truly impressive. In addition, there is a sterilization mode that purifies the water to enhance hygiene and cleanliness. This feature proves particularly beneficial for households with older individuals or young children. But there is more. It doesn't just vacuum and mop, it also handles spills with ease. Thanks to its water suction mode, it can effortlessly clean sticky spillages, adding a helpful and clever dimension to its functionality. With a robust 250 watts power and 16 kPa vacuum suction, it's a powerful mop and vacuum combination that gets the job done effectively. After cleaning the floor, it simply needs to be docked on the charging station to recharge. With one full charge, you get a substantial 38 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough for cleaning a 2 or 3 BHK house.
Self-cleaning mode. The sterilizing solution is being prepared. Please wait.
After finishing the cleaning, the self-cleaning mode needs to be activated, which can only be initiated when the device is securely placed on its charging station. The self-cleaning mode effectively cleans both the vacuum cleaner and the roller brush. Once the self-cleaning process is complete, the dirt water tank needs to be removed and emptied. I'm amazed by the amount of dirt it has collected. The results are quite impressive and honestly a bit surprising. While the brush is designed to be self-cleaned, you can still remove it and give it a thorough rinse under running water for added cleanliness. Additionally, all the accessories can be easily detached and washed with clean water, making maintenance a breeze. This sleek, lightweight and easy to maneuver device is perfect for daily cleaning. The compact docking station saves space and the elegant and stylish design adds a touch of class to your cleaning routine. With impressive suction power and mopping abilities, it's a great fit for Indian homes where sweeping and mopping are daily essential chores. It is also a valuable addition for those in remote areas, hostelers, and for older individuals or working professionals. I wish it could have a desirable steam mopping feature included in this. It does make some noise, although it's under 80 decibels. And that's a wrap up on this amazing Agaro Royal Mop and Vacuum Cleaner. Now let's move on to the Agaro Crest Spot Cleaner, a fantastic solution for those stubborn stains, spills and paw prints on your carpet and upholstery. The compact design makes it perfect choice for any household. It comes with a standard brush for dry vacuuming, a deep stain tool for wet cleaning, and a self-cleaning brush to maintain the hose. Additionally, there is cord wrap accessory for added convenience. The hose connection tool is also included, providing ease of use. The Agaro Crest Spot Cleaner boasts some impressive specs. It's equipped with dual tanks, a 1.8 litre storage tank and a 600 ml dirt collecting tank, meaning you can tackle those pesky messes without the constant need for refills. To control the machine, there is a simple power button for on and off functions. I will start by using it for dry vacuuming with the standard brush. The dry brush doesn't have water outlet, so water will not come out even if water is there in the water tank. As I clean my carpet and couch, it effortlessly picks up dirt, fur and hair strands from the surface. In terms of power, this machine packs a punch with 450 watts. It also boasts a powerful suction of 12 kPa. Now let's switch to wet cleaning. I filled the clean water tank and added some upholstery cleaner, though you can also clean with water alone or add mild detergent directly on the stain. Here is how it works. On the carpet, press the button on the hose to spray the water and cleaner solution. Then use the brush to scrub the carpet in an up and down motion while simultaneously vacuuming. The brush bristles effectively clean stains while the powerful suction removes excess water. After that, we just need to leave it for air drying. I also use this machine to clean a dining chair with the sauce spill. I sprayed the solution, gave it a little rub and started vacuuming. And voila, the stain disappeared. Impressive. I then cleaned other dining chairs that had accumulated dirt and stains over the years. I was actually considering changing the fabric, but this machine saved me from that expense and now all the chairs look as good as new. What's noteworthy is the auto shut-off feature. When the waste tank is full, it prevents any potential overflows. Let me show you the results. I've removed the dirty water tank and you can see how much dirt it has collected. This Agaro Crest Spot Cleaner is undoubtedly a lifesaver for easily cleaning carpets and upholstery in a busy household. The Agaro Spot Cleaner even comes with the hose cleaning cap. You can switch on the machine and press the button on the hose to self-clean it, ensuring you can maintain it without worrying about unpleasant odor. Cleaning the brush heads and sewage tank is breeze, requiring no extra effort. A simple rinse with water does the job. After drying, reattach all the accessories and you will find that it's quite compact, making storage a breeze. In summary, the Agaro Crest Spot Cleaner has powerful cleaning capabilities, ease of maintenance, and offers versatile cleaning options. It can save you time and effort when dealing with stains and spills. If you have a busy household with kids or pets, this could be a game changer. Although the size of dirt collecting tank might be limiting if you're dealing with very large mess. Also, it does make some noise while cleaning, though it's relatively low, measuring less than 80 decibels. And that's all about today's video. I hope you found this demo and review of these smart cleaning gadgets from Agaro helpful. They can be a great asset not just during your Diwali deep cleaning, but also for day-to-day cleaning. You can find links to these products in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See you all next week. Bye-bye.